Hi friends! Today I want to share with you some closet tips and tricks for living in a small space. My husband and I moved into a 600-ish square foot house back in December, and it had absolutely no closet space, so we decided to frame one in off of the bathroom. He's a contractor, so we got pretty lucky there and got to save a lot of money as he did all the work himself, and it turned out pretty nice if I do say so myself. The space is pretty limited, but he did a great job maximizing it to fit both of our year-round wardrobes. The shelves we use mostly for our folded pants and shirts, and at the very bottom we have our laundry basket and our underwear and socks in some Rubbermaid drawers. To the left we have some of our bulkier things that we like to hang, like sweatshirts, button-down shirts, and winter jackets. On the back of our bathroom and bedroom door we have some over-the-door hooks where we hang our pajamas, robes, hats, my purse, things like that. Right now we have our winter jackets on the back of our computer chair so that we can quickly grab them on our way out the door. And last but not least, we have all of our shoes on a multi-level shoe rack to maximize the space. Those are all the tips I have for you today, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!